Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida, coming to you from my home in the capital city. Today we want to talk a little bit about Florida seafood. Florida seafood is safe, delicious, and plentiful out there. So when you are at grocery shopping, please look for the Fresh from Florida seal and make some great choices with Florida seafood. We're cooking a little bit of today, and we've got a few dishes here. We have our jumbo Florida Gulf shrimp with our smoky cocktail sauce. We also have these beautiful, beautiful stone crab claws with a little key lime mustard sauce that we just whipped up out of the fridge. And for our third dish, we've got a little mahi that we put in the oven. We've seasoned it with a little of our favorite seasoning blend. We've seared it and roasted in the oven. It just came out. We're gonna put it on our plate here. We've got a little bit of arugula salad on there as well. And then I made a little bit of our tomato bacon gravy to go with this. And let me tell you, it smells delicious. Tomatoes, bacon, and lemon. Oh my goodness, we're just gonna put it right on there. And this would go great with chicken or any other kind of fish fillet as well. We're using mahi here today. It smells so good. Lots of Florida seafood in the stores and at your seafood market, as well as lots of other fresh commodities that are in season as well. Citrus, and tomatoes, peppers, eggs, beef, blueberries, peaches, so many wonderful things from the state of Florida. So please look for that Fresh from Florida seal. Get cooking at home and eat fresh.